Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I'll be posting videos related to healthy food recipes, workouts, health and fitness related tips and much more. With that being said, let's jump on to today's video that is about 6 tips to follow if you are just starting your fitness journey. The first tip is getting up early in the morning. If you are serious about your health and want to begin your fitness journey, you seriously need to ditch your snooze button. Set an alarm and wake up the moment it goes off. This way you will not end up lazing on your bed and will have enough time to focus on your fitness goals. If you are someone who struggles to get up immediately and feel dizzy, I would suggest you to at least get up and sit on your bed for 5 minutes. Be grateful for another beautiful day, take a few deep breaths, and finally get out of the bed. Get right up and head straight to the washroom. Splash some water on your face that will shoo away all your laziness. Number 2 tip is to drink water as soon as you wake up. I always have a water bottle filled by the side of my bed so that I immediately drink water the moment I get up. Remember the saying, out of sight, out of mind? Yeah, that's true. If you want to drink water throughout the day, make sure it is within your reach so that whenever you see the water bottle, you are always reminded of drinking it. If you are new to your fitness journey, make sure you are doing this right and you will see the results for yourselves. Drinking water helps to rehydrate after a long night's sleep and kickstart your metabolism. If you don't like the taste of water like most people do, you can try adding lemon and honey, mint leaves, tulsi leaves, or any kind of fruit of your choice. Also, you can try apple cider vinegar. It is really beneficial. Another tip here is to sit and drink your water whenever you do. Also make sure you are drinking it sip by sip instead of just gulping it all at once. The next and the most important tip is move your body. Yes, you heard that right. A lot has been said about the importance of exercising and working out that I cannot emphasize the importance of it. This is the most important part of your fitness journey. Start with a basic walk, yoga, or a cardio workout and gradually build your way through it. On days you are not able to work out for any specific reason, please meditate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And if you can include meditation in your daily routine, nothing like it. I cannot begin to tell you how much exercise improves my day. Now I can only tell you how great it is, but to feel it for yourself, you need to start doing it. The days I don't work out, I can instantly see a difference in my mood. If you have still not incorporated exercise in your life, what are you waiting for? I would really urge you to give it a try. Also, do not forget to stretch after your workout because recovery after workout is very important. Now that we are done with the workout, let's move to my favorite part, that is healthy food. The next tip is having a healthy breakfast. Now this is something you should not compromise on if you are willing to start on your fitness journey. Make sure you include lots of veggies and fruits in your breakfast and make it the most powerful meal of the day. Whatever breakfast you enjoy, make it nutritious and filling because those things will keep you going and make difference in the rest of your day. Having a nutritious breakfast helps to boost your energy and kickstart your mental focus for the day. That's all about the physical fitness. Now let's move on to mental fitness because that is also important, right? My next tip for you is reading. It is said that reading puts our brains into a state similar to meditation. It brings health benefits same as deep relaxation and inner calm.
People who read regularly have lower stress levels, sleep better, have higher self esteem, and lower rates of anxiety and depression. Reading also improves your brain health. A lot of people start into their fitness journey but don't go far. To continue in your fitness journey, it is very important to have a positive approach and a healthy mindset. Which takes me to the next and the last tip, that is practicing gratefulness and affirmations. Every morning, write down 3 things you are grateful for and 3 affirmations for the day. It makes you happier, reduces stress, and improves your mental health. As I said, along with physical health, mental health is also very important.
These are the things that I follow in my fitness routine, and I have learned the importance of these over time. I hope you like this video and have some takeaway from it. If you do, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.